We are the Environmental Club, and welcome to Pisgah Primary School.
Pisgah is located in St. Elizabeth.
Well, the research is about the Great River and how the people care for the river.
We decided to do this research on the Great River because while the principal was marching through the Marchmont Road, she saw a farmer farming on the riverbank. He was using different kind of chemicals that can harm the life in the river.
We find pampers, plastic bottles, and food wrappings in the water. We took 3 samples from 3 points of the river to the lab in Montego Bay.
The river is highly polluted with garbage, chemicals.
Total coliform and the fecal coliform is too high, so the water is not fit for drinking and other domestic things.